Hi everyone, we are thrilled to share the latest Favio update with you all. In this release, we have introduced exciting new features like next-gen AI capabilities, dynamic roles, improved remote management, and many more advanced features. Whether you are a long-time user or just getting started, these updates are designed to reduce manual work and help your team to deliver exceptional support. Let's explore what's new and how it benefits you. Meet Alia Assistant, your next-gen AI experience. Alia's Core AI introduces smarter communication across your help desk. With new modules for Core AI, Bot Builder, AI data sources, and the AI agent, Alia transforms how your team handles daily support tasks. On average, teams using Alia can expect up to a 45% reduction in agent workload and 35% faster ticket resolutions, all thanks to the intelligent automation and instant contextual replies. You can easily integrate Alia with Gemini for quick, context-aware answers, while the virtual agent automates routine tasks and keeps conversations natural and meaningful. It automates repetitive actions like ticket assignment or closure, and even detects tone and urgency in messages. The conversation widget ensures both agents and customers get instant help right inside the chat box, boosting responsiveness and reducing waiting time. Let's say if a customer writes in frustration about downtime, Alia instantly flags it as high priority, helping your team respond before escalation. This feature alone can improve ticket handling efficiency by up to 50%. The next one is Bot Builder. The new no-code Bot Builder lets you create intelligent support bots. You can design chat flows to onboard users or answer facts using simple flows and adding dialogues within those flows. Easily set up and integrate APIs in your bot to trigger actions, fetch data like creating tickets, and registering new users. With natural language processing, customers can chat in their own words, and Alia will understand and respond instantly. You can also monitor live conversations and jump in anytime for a seamless handover. Now let's say a support manager can build a new customer onboarding bot that greets users, collects details, and creates a ticket automatically, all within few minutes. This reduces first response time by up to 60% and minimizes human intervention during repetitive queries. AI Data Source Management. Alia now learns directly from your knowledge sources, documents, facts, websites, or even YouTube videos. All your content becomes instantly searchable through AI, helping your agents find precise answers faster. As your organization grows, Alia keeps learning, improving accuracy with every conversation. Let's say when a new document is uploaded, Alia automatically references it in future replies, so your team doesn't have to look things up manually. Teams always have access to the most up-to-date knowledge without manual updates. Agents save an estimated 35% of research time for each ticket. The new Alia AI agent delivers natural, human-like conversations across channels. It understands context, remembers previous chats, and speaks in your brand's voice, whether that is formal, friendly, or relaxed tone. You can define how Alia behaves, when it should escalate, and how it hands off to live agents. Alia can instantly answer common requests like reset password or renew policy while routing complex issues to a live agent, keeping your team focused where it matters most. This alone can reduce repetitive ticket volume by up to 40%, freeing your agents for more meaningful work. Our next important feature is direct WhatsApp Business API integration. You can now connect directly to the WhatsApp Business API, no third-party bridge required. Customers can message your business and those chats automatically convert into tickets in Favio. You can also send approved message templates and respond directly within WhatsApp. It's perfect for support agents assisting clients who prefer quick communication without leaving their favorite messaging app. Expect 25% higher customer engagement and faster issue resolution through real-time messaging. The next one is Dynamic Roles and Permissions. The new Dynamic Roles and Permissions system gives super admins full control over who can access what in their Favio system. You can define roles for admins, agents, or collaborators with precise permissions down to each module or department. Let's say a vendor can now view and comment on assigned tickets without accessing internal data, ensuring collaboration without compromising security. This improves administrative efficiency by 30% and significantly reduces access-related errors. Agent software with RMM enhancements. With advanced automation and remote control for Windows, IT teams can manage devices more efficiently. You can schedule updates in bulk, auto-install security patches, and even take remote control of a user's system directly from your Favio dashboard. Let's say when an employee reports a system slowdown, IT can remotely log in, clear the cache, and restart services instantly. No waiting or travel required. These enhancements can improve IT response speed by up to 55% and cut manual maintenance time nearly in half. The new Advanced Encryption Engine. Security has been taken to the next level with this new feature. It encrypts sensitive data including customer details, attachments, and tickets, both in storage and in transit. This ensures your organization stays compliant and your client's data remains private and secure. This is ideal for companies handling confidential or financial data, ensuring full protection. This new feature reduces data breach risks by up to 70%. Service Catalog. The new Service Catalog makes it simple for users to browse and request IT or business services directly from Favio's system. Everything is clearly categorized from hardware requests to software access so employees can find what they need quickly. Admins and authorized agents can also customize categories and approve requests faster. Let's say a team member can request a new laptop from the service catalog, and it is automatically routed to the IT department for approval. It improves request management and handling speed by 35%. We have added several enhancements to improve daily operations, like permissions to control ticket requester changes, smarter ticket inbox sorting and quick filters, improved asset permissions and work time log controls, detailed system activity logs for full visibility. Together, these enhancements make daily admin work about 25% faster and reduce the chances of configuration errors. And if you want to know more about the fixes in detail, you can go through the release notes. The article link is mentioned in the description box below.
That's it for this release. We are committed to creating features that combine smart technology with great design to make your everyday work easier and more productive. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next update. Have a great day.